Some days, running a business feels like you're trying to do everything and still falling behind. But here's the thing. Spending money on the right things can help you save hours and help you make more per hour. I've tested this in my own business, and today I'm sharing small splurges that have saved me time, energy, and peace of mind. I'm Grady Cool, CEO of Cool Wealth Management. I help people make better investment decisions. Let's start with something you can use today. Managing a calendar and scheduling meetings can be a lot if you're doing it all by hand. This is especially true if you're managing more than just your own calendar. If you're working with freelancers or employees, it can get chaotic quickly. Automated scheduling apps like Calendly can help a lot. And no, this is not sponsored. There are no sponsors in this video. We don't do sponsors. I use this with my own business so that customers and prospects can schedule on their own accord and can go whenever works best for them. I link my Calendly to my Google Calendar, then I just have to make sure that my own personal schedule is up to date. Then I don't have to worry about conflicts.
Thank God they didn't schedule over my jazzercise class.
This saves me a few minutes at the end of every meeting and a few emails going back and forth asking what time works best. They know where to find it and can pick whatever time works best for them. One thing I have learned the hard way this year is that in order to perform your best as an entrepreneur, you need rest. I have been tempted many times to eat into my small amount of free time with either just one more task or just getting some chores out of the way. I get hyper-focused on the business and pretty much everything else just ends up becoming an annoyance for me just not being able to get any real work done. Then things don't get done as efficiently. I'm running to the grocery store, I'm doing 5 loads of laundry, I'm running off to Home Depot. In the grand scheme of things, saving time on basic chores so you have some time to rest is well worth the trade. One of the cheapest and most effective is grocery delivery. You can get your groceries delivered for under 20 bucks a month. I use Walmart, you can use whatever you want, works great. If you take this even further and do meal prep either once per week or once per month, then you can basically make it so that you're only spending about 4 hours a week on any sort of meal preparation. For any one of you thinking, a month of meal prep? Yes, just freeze it, quit being a baby. If you know how to cook, it really doesn't taste that bad. The time you get back not running to the grocery store or cooking as frequently might be the difference between whether you get 7 hours of sleep and 6 hours of sleep on a nightly basis. That will add up. Also, you can apply this same concept to other basic chores depending on where you live and how you live. If you're like me and like to go to the gym a lot, then sometimes having a laundry service for all of these sweaty clothes can save you quite a bit of time. If you live in a house, then someone to take care of your yard can be worth it if you have the extra monthly cash flow for it to actually work out. A big part of doing well as a business owner is staying focused. Stress, it adds up. Month after month of minor frustrations wear on a person. I swear, I shouldn't get as frustrated with hold music as I am when it's for the wrong reason. I don't know about you, but tech is one of the most frustrating parts of my day if I'm using a program that is not put together well. Using good software that actually works saves so much in terms of headaches and stress. Don't get me wrong. Don't spend all of your money on your tech stack. That can destroy your cash flow and take over your business quickly. However, for the programs that you use that are absolutely essential, this could be 1 to 3 things. Like for me personally, I do a lot of financial planning and modeling. So I hate Google Sheets. Thus, I get Microsoft Office and can use Excel. It's great. A lot of people have Microsoft Office, but I hope that gives you the idea. Spending a little money to save time and stress can be well worth it. Finding the areas of your life where you actually get the best bang for your buck can be a little tricky, so I hope this video helped. If you have any that you'd like to add, definitely feel free to comment down below. If you'd like to work with me, feel free to check out the description to get your free investment proposal. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!